Welcome to this video on how to create a delivery repair order. Before creating a delivery repair order, make sure a few key items are in place. Aftermarket items like parts, kits, labor, and miscellaneous charges should be added to the deal first. The delivery repair order will ensure that everything sold on the deal actually gets installed or completed. Once the items have been added, navigate to the Delivery tab and click New. A new delivery repair order will be created with the unique number. This service repair order is linked back to the deal. The status is set to open, and all relevant job lines are created based on the item sold. Parts kits create a single job line with the description shown in the concerned field, and all included parts and labor are automatically populated. Make sure the labor is assigned to a technician and that the parts are available to be filled. Labor items also generate their own job lines. A technician time entry is created, but the technician needs to be assigned. The total price is calculated based on the labor rate and the hours defined by the operation code. Miscellaneous charges appear under the MISC tab, including the selected charge code and pricing details carried over from the deal. Once all the lines have been processed, update the line status to complete. After that, click Invoice. In the Cashiering tab, internal charges will be populated with your internal charge account and control number. Finally, post the repair order and navigate back to the deal to finish processing. And that's how you create a delivery repair order in a deal. Thanks for watching.